Hey, what's going on? Paul here. I wanted to give a quick tour of the property here at 1243 Valley Forge Road. The white building you can see behind me is my office where I run my company, Philadelphia Mortgage Brokers, and this is the stone house that has office space for rent. And we're heading in the front door. Just want to give a quick walkthrough. So we kind of, I guess I call this room the parlor, living room, kind of just general common space, sit down, get together, all that good stuff. There is a small office back here. We've got a desk and a chair and just a little bit of storage over here in the corner, but otherwise nice and quiet here. And we walk right into conference room and a small kitchenette. Everything you need. Got 6 chairs around here. Working on a TV and a conference. I'm going to have a TV here on the wall here. The ability to have a video conference here in this room as well. But everything is brand new in here with the kitchen. And we've got a bathroom back here. Rear access to the side of the house, and then we'll go back upstairs. So we try to keep as many original details in here as possible, and had to make things like putting carpet on the stairs made a lot of sense. They weren't nice enough to try to salvage, but it makes it a little easier to get upstairs. So this is the second floor landing. So right here is a 3/4 bathroom. There is a shower in there, so I kept that in there. This is what we'll call office 2A, and first office on the second floor, so it's kind of on the corner. Got pretty cool views of Valley Forge Road and Paulings. Got a desk, chair, and this is adjacent to office 2B. So ideally, if there were 2 people that wanted offices next to each other, you could have both of these and still have closed doors in between you. This also has cool views as well. Valley Forge Road, looking down towards Valley Forge Park. And heading on to, we'll call this the third office, 2C, and this is a pretty good size. This is a oversized standing desk that is in here, so that is ready to go. Otherwise, you can definitely fit another desk. I had a storage container in here myself, but the fireplace does not work, but each office has a individual remote for the mini split system, so each room has one. This is office 2D. Good size for one person. And we'll call this 2E. And this is one of my favorite rooms in the building just because you get a really neat view of Paulings Road. And it kind of feels like you're on top of the road because you mostly are. But this is the nice sized room. I've got it set up with one desk now, but certainly could get a second one in here without a problem. So you've got these 3 offices here contiguous. You've got E, D, and C all kind of in a row that are separated with this door here, which this property was 2 separate houses built in the late 1700s, 1800s. So there's a 12-inch stone wall here. So if you wanted to have 1, 2, 3 contiguous offices, and then there's also 2 other attic spaces to check out as well. I'm just saying, having a couple offices together, you can have a little bit of privacy from the other side on the second floor. But let's head up to the 3rd floor. This is what we'll call 3B. So we're on the 3rd floor, and this is the attic number 1. But we've got a nice amount of space up here. We were able to add these dormers to give us a really nice ceiling height. I'm a little bit shy of 6 feet tall, and ceiling's a good 2 feet above me, but I've got 2 desks set up here, plenty of space for any number of things, storage, other comfortable seating, you name it. But this is a nice space. Has the same cool views, just another row, another story up. So I head back down the staircase. Again with the carpet, just to make getting up and down staircases easy. And what was back there was not enough to save. All right, so we're now checking out attic, really the first attic on the first side, 3A. This is a more straightforward staircase. And similar setup up here. You've got one desk, second desk overlooking the windows, and same views of the corner onto Valley Forge Road. And it's rush hour on Paulings.